Yo, what's up? So, we are here. Excuse me. Okay, so as you can see, I have my little girl, Alex, if you've been watching much, I don't know. And we are going to be having her choose our fidgets, because we're going to be fidget shooting. But that's going to be in our next video. So we already have some, we have our homemade fidgets that we made today. I have to use my hard balloon because she didn't bring her good balloon. She brought her hard one. And then I can't use my water balloon because she forgot hers at her house. We got our air one. We got our glue one. And then we got our cool one. And then we both got one of our choice ones. I wanted this, and she wanted her octopus.
I don't know why I was having my ink.
Why don't you ever use me?
He's always on ink.
So we are going to be having Alex choose our fidgets, and I'm hoping I get this one and whichever one of these. Oops. We're gonna be having her choose two.
Well, whichever one she chooses is the one you don't get.
Yeah.
If there's, yeah. For all the other ones, it's just whatever one she picks.
Okay. Besides, the infinity cubes, and stuff like that.
Well, it is, because you get one.
Love you. Okay, girly. Get one. Go get one. Oh, so I don't get my pineapple. That's what she said. That's okay. I'm only wanting this one because I know she wants it. And by the way, she bit me earlier. It was a little nibble, but I'm not bleeding or anything. Didn't really hurt. I just felt like nibbling, and I'm like, oh, wait, what? Okay, so...
Just caught you off guard.
She scared me. Don't be rolling around at this time. Okay.
No, that one's just out.
Yeah. So now she has this one. I think her second favorite, and then this one.
Yeah, well, she put mine in my basement, so it's still down there.
I'm sorry. You were in Zoom call, and
I
it was
forgot
so
it.
boring.
Well, I forgot I was down there.
And same with her fidget pad. Come on. Excuse me. Excuse me. Thank you. Okay. Smell it. And now choose one. Choose one. Go get one. Go get one. That's not an option, sweetie.
Choose with me.
Go get one. Come on. Which one? Go get one. Go get it. Go get it, girlie. Go get it. Okay.
She feels this one.
Well, she ran over here multiple times, so I guess it's the purple one.
That one's out. I'll get these two.
Yep. I put her in there so she can go around for a second. And I'll just put these in here. I'm sorry, Alex, you're stuck right there for a second. There you go. So we'll just put these with our stuff. Wacky tracks. Whichever one she chooses. Ready? Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Okay, so this, whichever one she chooses out of these is Batman's, and whichever one she doesn't choose is mine.
I kind of want this one.
I kind of want this one. We can just do a trade if we get the opposite one that we want. Okay, so I'm just getting her out right now. They're not lined up. Just come here. Little snot. Look at you. Look at you. You're so adorable. Okay, don't bite me again. Oh, this one is yours. You gave me the one I didn't want. What do you think you're doing?
These ones are really clicky.
That's why I like that one. Okay.
Oh, there she goes.
Okay, so whichever one she chooses for me this time, is the one I get. And then the one that she doesn't choose. I really want this one. Yeah. I like this one. Come here. It's like, hey man, I'm just trying to get my exercise. She was on the runny thingy when I went down there. whatever it's called.
The wheel.
Okay, it says smell. You want that one? You want this one? You want that one for me? Go get it, girl.
Just
Go
don't
get
pick
it.
the blue one.
Go get it. Go get it. Go get mine. Go get mine. Go get mine.
Okay. Okay, she wants this.
Go get mine. Okay, this is mine. Okay. Now let's let her smell. She's trying to eat it. Go get the one that you want. I think she's wanting this one. I don't know. Hey. Here. Fine. Choose one this way. Okay, 1 minute. 1 minute. Stop it. Go get one.
This one.
Go get one. She wants to have that one.
Move over. Why?
You want to do a redo?
No, it's fine. She chose that one.
We can do a redo.
No, she chose that one.
Let's do a redo. Okay. Okay, just here. We'll just hold him up and hey, come here. Hey, look at me. Look at me. Hey, me. Here. Which one? Which one? Which one? Hey, which one?
That one. She wants the blue one.
Man, I dropped it.
It's the blue one. I get the blue one.
Hey,
It's the blue one.
here.
Every time.
Hey, which one?
Again, the blue one. She wants the
Oh.
blue one.
Oh, do you want it? I dropped it. Okay. Well, we'll just give you the rainbow one. Because she was like a tie on that one. Okay, wherever your bag is, there you go. Stop moving. You're sitting in my hand. I don't care what you have to say. I want this one.
I want either one of the black ones. I don't really care.
I want this one.
Oh, I think it'd be cool to have that.
Okay, so it's your turn.
Okay.
Okay, this one. Hey. Okay, I guess we're just going to put these over here because this is where she wants to go. Which one? Here. Which one? You want this one for her? You want this one for her? You want this one for her? Go get it. Go get it. Go get it, girly. Go get one. Move. Move. Which one? Which one? This one? She's just chilling. Oh, she keeps on running and looking this way, so I guess that one's yours. And now, girl. Okay. Woo. Oh. Woo.
Whichever way she looks. This one too. Oh, you can that one.
Well, snot.
I love you so much, though.
Okay. So now it's my turn. Which one do I get? This one?
There you go. Straight.
Here, we'll just turn her this way since she always looks that way. Which one does she get, huh? Okay. Why are you so lazy? Here, I'm gonna put her in her ball for a minute so she can like maybe get some energy when she's in the ball, so maybe she can actually run towards them. Mine run. Wow. Okay, there you go. Can you get out of the side? There you go. Okay. Wait, I have an idea. So we'll like give it to her and we'll see how much she likes it. Okay, that's like a meh. What's this? Oh, you like that one. How about this one? Hey, how about this one? Oh. So she liked this one, so now we'll do it for you. You like it? No, you like it? No? Like, no.
Just look at which one she looks at because she's really interested.
There. We'll just do that one. Wait, that one's not mine. Okay.
Where did that go? That's for me.
Okay. Magnetic beads. Boop, 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 boop. Here. We'll do. flinching. That one she most likely flinched on. So, or not most likely. She kind of flinched on. Okay.
Who is it, Mom?
Oh. I'm so sorry. I don't care if you bite me. I'm sorry. Scared her. Ready? Go get one. Go get.
Which one's this one?
Okay. You're just saying next you wanted that.
She's literally looking this way.
She wants to go that way. Okay.
What?
So this is actually hers. She gets to choose for these. You want this one? Or do you want this one? Ready? Woo woo wow! Now look. This one. Oh, now she's looking that way.
No, you.
Okay. Hey. Okay, I guess this one. I got the one that I wanted.
Well, then I'll get that one because you have the panda. So I get the box.
No, because that was your round and I had a round.
Yeah, you have two because you have the panda on yours.
Oh, wait. So, give me the snapper. I forgot. This one has 3.
This is mine.
Oh. Woo! Now look. This one. Yours. The one I wanted. Okay, well, we can have her with us while we do this, but come